I'm so happy and excited to be sharing 4 legit websites na pwede nyo pag-applyan as an audio transcriptionist. What's up YouTube fam? We are back at it again with another video, and once again, ito po si Jack from Jack Makes Money on YouTube. May papakita naman po ako sa inyong possible extra income na pwede nyo itry while at home, and easy application process, and of course you can always do this on flexible hours po. Okay? But before that, I just want to say a huge shout out po sa first 100 subscribers natin. I did not expect po na aabot tayo agad sa ganitong number of subscribers within a little span of time. I mean, you guys are just so amazing. I'm so happy about it, and for that, of course, again, we will have a 70 pesos giveaway load sa isang lucky viewer natin for today's video. Now, all you have to do is make sure na you hit the subscribe button if you are not yet subscribed to it, and please like this video as well, and just leave a comment down below kung ano na po yung mga videos na napanood niyo. Okay? And without further ado, I will go head straight to our topic for today. And again, sana makatulong po ako ulit. Let's get right to it. Alright guys, so for today, ang pag-uusapan natin is I will be giving websites now where you can actually apply as an audio transcriptionist. So ano ba ang ginagawa ng isang audio transcriptionist? So basically, there will be a client na magsisend sa'yo ng file. It's either in an audio file or video file, and then ang gagawin mo lang po dito is i-convert mo yung mga sinasabi din sa video into text. Okay? Pakikinggan mo yung video, and it's depende siya kung gaano kahaba, and the more na mahaba yung file and the more na mahaba yung video, the more money or the more na malaki yung bayad sa'yo. Okay? And where can you actually apply for becoming as an audio transcriptionist? So yun po ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon, because I'm so happy and excited to be sharing 4 legit websites na pwede nyo pag-applyan as an audio transcriptionist. Okay? And mind you, these websites po are all free of registration. Wala kang babayaran, of course. Ang kailangan mo lang gawin is makapasa dun sa mga online test nila. Maghintay na ma-review yung application mo. They will just send you an email. And pag nakapasa ka na, that's when you will be able to start. Now, talking about the earnings, ang maganda dito is you will be paid. Yung iba sa kanila nagbabayad per audio minute. Okay? And just a disclaimer, guys. I wouldn't say na madali itong trabaho na to. However, it's a very good source of income because marami na po dito ang nag-full-time na while at home. Because sa simula lang mahirap kasi nga may mga ibang file or audio na medyo mahirap maintindihan yung language. Okay? But most of it, actually all of it, are in English form, so you don't have to worry about that. So, and ang kailangan mo lang dito is of course an internet, laptop, or PC, and a good environment kung saan ka pwede magtrabaho, because you will need to have a silent or a quiet place to be able to perform this job perfectly. Okay? Kasi for each website, meron po silang mga rules, meron silang mga kailangan mong sundin na conditions, and yung mga dapat ilaman ng magiging format, or they will require you to have a format for dun sa transcription or transcription file na isi-send mo sa kanila, or basta yun na yun guys, basta. Okay, let's just head straight to the website na sa mga websites na yun, and then pagkatapos nun, you can just start immediately applying to them. Okay guys, so welcome back once again, and before anything else, dun sa mga bago po manunood natin dyan, my name is Jack po, and I'm from Jack Makes Money on YouTube. And if you're new to my channel, gumagawa po ako ng mga videos about, home-based jobs and review application process, tsaka mobile apps po very soon. So make sure to check that out. And if you are new, once again, make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit mo na rin po yung notification bell para updated kayo sa mga future videos ko, because weekly po ako nagpapag-giveaway ng 50 pesos load sa isang lucky viewer. And ang kailangan nyo lang po gawin is, of course, manood, like the video, and just leave a comment down below. Okay, so simulan na natin. So ang unang website po na pag-uusapan natin ngayon is Transcription. Okay, so don't worry guys, kasi lahat po ng mga website na ilalagay ko dito or pag-uusapan natin sa video nito, the link will be on the description box. Okay, so the first one is Transcription. Okay, so as you can see here, they pay competitive rates for our online transcription jobs. Okay, so they can pay as much as up to $0.60 per audio or video minute. So ang kailangan mo lang gawin dito is, of course, you just have to click on apply, and then you'll be redirected dun sa first online test nila. Okay, so I tried applying actually, pero again, as mentioned earlier, hindi siya madali. So you will need to have a quiet place or a good environment when applying for these jobs. Okay, so ito guys, first is Transcription. Legit siya. If you want to learn more about this, just visit the website, and they actually have a video here which you can play. It's just 3 minutes, and then pwede ka rin mag-browse kung gusto mo pang matuto about sa website nila. Okay? So this is the first one, and the second one is rev.com. So again, this is an audio transcriptionist job as well. So pag visit nyo sa website na to, ang una nyo makikita is yung sa customer side na end. So you want to go ahead and go to the most bottom part and click on here, itong freelancers. Okay, so you'll be redirected dun sa page na pwede kang mag-apply as an audio transcriptionist. So now yung downside lang po nito ngayon sa situation natin, because of I don't want to say it, but the pandemic that is happening right now, may promise sila dito na there is currently a wait list, because they're experiencing a much higher level of interest from new freelancers. Of course guys, all of us right now are working at home kasi nga we are advised by our authority na wag mo nang lumabas. Okay, so but it's okay, because you will be on the wait list, and as mentioned earlier, apat i-mention kong website, so you can just apply on all those 4 websites all at once para malaman nyo, or para marami kayong chances na makuha. Okay, so ito yung website na kailangan andun ka para mag-apply. So ito yung transcriptionist. Okay, so just have to click on learn more, and then ma-redirect ko dun sa page kung saan ka pwedeng mag-apply. Okay, so yun lang, madali lang siya guys. Just fill up everything, fill up the information, take the online test. Nasa rev.com, I was able to read some review na kailangan mong you will need to take the application in one sitting. Actually, this strictly is just like a suggestion, and they strongly suggest it, because the application process might take a while, because you will be asked to, like, kailangan mong makinig talaga ng isang audio file and i-transcribe siya, and you will be asked to transcribe it to the format na kailangan nila. Okay, but don't worry, kasi pag dadaanan mo lahat ng yun, they will give you like a tutorial page on where you can learn more about how it should be transcribed on their end. Okay, so again, this is rev.com. So the next one is Scribby. Okay, so ganun pa rin guys, madali lang siya. It's still a freelance job. So you will have to go here, the transcribers part. Okay, so you will be redirected to this page, and as you can see, may overview agad sila kung ano yung magiging expectation mo if nakuha ka sa Scribby. So home-based job and work at your convenience. So meaning they will not require you to log into a specific time or log out at specific time. And then you can earn as much as $5 to $25 per audio hour. Okay, that's hour pay rate in US dollars. Again, short files, 10 minutes or less. Okay, so just visit this website, guys, so you can learn more about it before applying. All right, and lastly is Fiverr. Okay, so yung Fiverr, guys, this is like may twist dito because dito sa Fiverr, baliktad. Okay, ikaw yung magbebenta ng services mo as a transcriptionist. Okay, and among all other four, I think for me, this is like one of the best na pwede yung pagsimulan kasi nga madali lang yung process dito. Gagawa ka lang ng account mo and then you will just have to update your profile, make it appealing as much as possible just so when clients or customers will visit your page, of course they will buy. Okay? So, bibigyan ko kayo ng example kung paano yung magiging transcription page nyo. Kasi yung Fiverr, guys, para siyang isang online market. Kumbaga, andito lahat yung mga services na kailangan ng mga customers magpa-edit ng video, graphic design, logo making, YouTube introduction making. So, nandito lahat. Okay? So, pero yung sa inyo is ang kailangan nyo is yung transcription job. Okay? So, for example, let's click this one. Alright, so kung ako yung customer, ito yung makikita ko. Okay, sa end ko. And as you can see, this particular Fiverr user is charging $15 for every 15-minute video. Like it's written here. Okay, so you can earn as much as $15 for every 15-minute video or audio na i-transcribe nyo. Okay? So, make sure, guys, na pag gumawa kayo ng account dito kay Fiverr, I would strongly suggest na you try to visit other users na you have the same service like for this one, and try to not really copy but learn and try to like imitate how they do their profile, just so magka-idea kayo and you can again make your profile more appealing to the customers. Kasi the more na marami na kayong clients na cater dito sa Fiverr, they will send you a review, and the more review that you have and the more good reviews that you have, the more clients na they take advantage ng service mo. Okay? So that's basically it, guys. Those are our 4 legit websites and where you can actually apply for an audio transcriptionist job. Okay? Welcome back, guys. So that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope na sana makatulong to sa inyo. And I just want to say thank you dun sa mga nag-send ang reviews nila when they applied for study pool. I also made a review and application process for study pool, and I'm so happy na some of my viewers and friends actually nakuha sila dun. So if you, let's just put the link up here if you haven't watched it yet. And kung gusto mong manalo ng 70 pesos load for today's video, just make sure that you leave a comment down below, hit the subscribe button, and if nagustuhan niyo yung video, please consider liking, and if not, I'll be very happy if you honestly click on the unlike button as well. Okay, so if you have like questions or any concerns, feel free to visit my Facebook page. And pwede tayong mag-usap doon, and you can also send there your reviews and feedback. Okay, so thank you again, guys, and happy 100 subscribers to us, and hopefully we get more in the future. Let's get to it. Let's go. Yeah.